jerk, you almost hit me. Well, guess what? You almost hit me. Reason why you didn't is because you didn't get it on tape. If you had this Iamtto 3-angle dash cam, that would have helped. You could have brought it to court, threw somebody under the bus, and possibly ran him over. But we're gonna check this out. With that said, nobody was harmed during the making of this video. What's up, guys? It's Mark. I hope you're enjoying the video and all the videos in the past and upcoming. You can cut the truck off now because you really, if you really hit me, I would have jumped through the windshield and then stole the camera and destroyed the evidence. But anywho, I'd like to introduce this dash cam. As you can see, it's a Iamtto. They were nice enough to sponsor this video and give us a free product to demonstrate and unbox, and also send us a free t-shirt, which I'm sporting today. Landon's going to be demonstrating the crashing into the pedestrian, which was me, and we're going to do the unboxing, show you guys how this works. Super nice product, 360 all-around protection, 4CH dash cam. You can adjust all these little side cameras right here. The front one, it's got an SD card. Let's open it up and check it out. So first thing we can do is I can definitely let you guys know, nowadays you can never be too careful, and quite frankly, it's scary to go around without having some kind of camera rolling, because you never know if there's some crazy guy trying to run you over, or somebody coming up to your car to take over your car and steal it at knife point or gunpoint. At least you have them on tape. Somebody hits you or backs up into you, well, you got them on tape. The SD card's protected right there, and it's stored inside this nice little box. So here's the unit itself. Wow, that is cool. That is super nice. Oh my God. Nice little protection here. Yeah, it's actually 270 degree, I should say, rotation, and another 180 degree rotation on both sides, left and right. The monitor, so that's the front. Oh, I like this a lot. That's cool. That's really cool. So this is the front cam right here. This sticks on your dash like that. This is the front cam. I see how it incorporates everything all in one. So that's the front camera. These you aim towards your back window, so it can be filming out the back. I like that a lot. You get your power button, your rewind menu. You can view all on the screen right here. And there's your two-sided sticky tape. Your SD cards right here. Your line in, your USB to charge it and power the unit. That's really cool. I do like this one a lot. And I've had several of them come in, but this one I would say is one of the nicer ones. We're gonna put that back in the box right now. Let's check out what's behind it. So let's pull that there, put this here, a whole bunch of crap. So let's see, we got the, oh no, they even did it above and beyond. Look at that. They give you a rear cam. So this is the rear cam to stick on there with the power cord that goes all the way to the front to plug into the unit. You get your power with the fuse inlay switch for a fuse, or a direct wire, hard wire, to plug into a C port, or what was that called, Landon?
Type C. Type
C port plug. Very, very useful. You get your booklet display right here, your installation tool, your stick-on tool to mount on your dash, I think it is, and another power wire. And there's the main power wire, that's what I was looking for, which has a piggyback system for a USB, and your C drive, C port plug.
USB-C or something like that.
Yeah, so there it is. It probably says it on the box and we're guessing, but it's probably in the instructions. So putting it all together and summarizing the unit just by glancing at it and doing the unboxing, I would say it's definitely a useful product and would help you in many situations. And if you guys are driving some of the big trucks as you've seen on this lot right here, especially this big bad boy right here that's coming up soon, and it's going to be a picture and a video, it's worth every bit of your time investing in a cam. I'm going to leave the full link in the description. I'm going to leave all the information there so you guys can scope it out. And I'll put a discount code in there too. They were kind enough to provide me with my viewers code to get, I think, a certain percentage off the unit with the promo code. So you're welcome. Check it out. Give them a shout. Their link is in the link will be in the description, and it's well worth it. Because think about it this way: if you guys are driving and let's say somebody cut you off and bam, decided to slam on their brakes, and then guess what, sped off and took off, and you're like, oh, I had 2 seconds to think. I didn't get the license plate number or nothing. They're gone. They don't have insurance. They can give zero shits. So that's why a dash cam comes into play so useful. You have the USB, or sorry, the zip drive, the little tiny micro one. Take that sucker out, plug it in your computer, enlarge it. You got their license plate. You can bring everything in the court, show them what you have. It's worth every bit of the money spent versus the damage that they cost. Thousands of dollars of damage, $100 and something for a dash cam. You do the math. So I like the product. I give it a thumbs up. I'm going to support their t-shirt today. I'm going to give them a big shout out. And there's the cam. Hope you guys are doing great. Subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. See you.